Hey YouTube, this is Uncle Momo, and today I'm going to show you how to challenge copyright claims and go through the process. So look, without further ado, let's start, because I've been getting loads of copyright claims and where I'm not getting monetized, and it's cheating me off, and there's nothing on YouTube that shows me how to go through the step-by-step process. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. Right, first of all, we select a claim. So we go into here and we can see right here, this is can't be monetized. There's a copyright claim on it. So if I go over to the copyright claim, see details, click onto the see details, and it'll take you over to this page. Right, what you want to do is underneath the actions, there is a select action. You select on the select action and go straight down to appeal. You have a number of options. Make sure that you read these guides before you actually start your claim. It will tell you what is an appeal. The claimant has 30 days to respond to your appeal, and appeals can result in a copyright strike. So please look at these and read it thoroughly. And if you want to know any more about it, there's highlighted right there to show you further details. So I'm going to click on here and press continue. Now this is the first review requirements. First of all is put in your legal name, which is mine, your street address. I don't mind showing you my street address, and then your email address. Your city, select your country you're in, which in my case is United Kingdom, the county, and then your postcode, and then continue. Now it'll bring it over to this next part, provide rationale. So read this properly. Now I'm going to put, I have written down a couple of things, so which you can copy if you like. So the first part, it's got, does your use significantly transform the original work, or does it serve the same purpose? And it's got over here a guide, so you can press the option, the information. It goes, do you add new expressions or meaning to the original work, or do you merely copy the original? Now, being that I'm a reactor, what I've put down here is that my video adds new expression and meaning to the original work, and as a reactor, my subscribers expect a review breakdown of the performance of the work in an entertaining, constructive value. So I'm going to copy and put that in the second part here. Do a little bit of editing. Second part is, what is the nature of the copyright work? If you look over here, is the original work factual or nature or fictional? Is it published or unpublished? And is the informational or entertaining or in nature? So what I'm going to do is press paste again, because basically I'd see it as repeating, being repetitive. Second part, how much of the original content is used or required? If you look over here, it's got amount of copyright and content used. How much and what percentage of the original work is used? Do you use most of the important part? So this is the part where you need to be honest with there in order to get the fair process. So I'll just put down section and edited as a reviewing reactor to the content. Or say sections are edited. I'm just going to highlight this part right now, because that's going on to my third part. Is your video a substitute for the original content? Well, it is, because it's your contents that you're reviewing. It's your art form, and that's what you're challenging. On here it says, do you think the original copyright owner experienced any financial losses because of your use of the work? I put down, my video is a substitute for the original content, as it is a review of the content. No financial losses will be experienced to the copyright owner. Copyright will be receiving free promotion and artists more wider recognition. Put artists a more wider. Going to the first part. Is there any other information the copyright owner should be aware of? So this part is what I'm going to put down there is the copyright disclaimer under the section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, and this is the US copyright under section 107 Copyright Act 1976, and it states allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comments, news, reportings, teaching, scholarship and research. Fair use is used permitted by copyright stature, that might otherwise be infringing non-profit education or personal use. Tips balance in the favour of fair use. Now once you've put that in there, there's certain things that you have to be highlighted and recognise. I'm aware that there may be adverse legal consequences if I make a false allegation through this process. I understand that the personal contract information I provide will be shared with the claimant. I understand that if my appeal is rejected by the claimant, my video will be removed and the copyright strike given to my account. If I receive 3 copyright strikes, my account may be terminated. And you type in there. Once that's done, you should receive an email through my Gmail, which I put down there, to let me know that my appeal has been submitted. So there you go, that's what it is. And then if you come off of that and go back into it, you will see that where the copyright chain claims there, where it was restricted, is now in appeal. And if you go there, it goes claim ad revenue as being held during dispute. So there you go, a step-by-step guide of challenging the copyright claim. I hope this helps you.